Alexa, turn on the desk light.
Okay.
What's up everybody and welcome back to Creating Creations. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a desk lamp. First off, we're going to measure 4 lines 3.5 inches apart, then cut along the last line. Now measure 4 inches high on the sheet aluminum. As you can see, I left a little bit of overhang at the top of the aluminum. You'll see why in a minute. Now using a roller, bend along all 4 of the markings. Now, after making sure that it fits your light box, cut out a section for the wire. And glue it together to form a box. For this next part, you will need lots of popsicle sticks. First, you will need 28 regular size popsicle sticks, and then you'll need to cut 4 of each of the following sizes listed in the pictures. To make the popsicle sticks the desirable size, first you will measure the size that you want, cut along that measurement, then using another popsicle stick, trace the rounded end. And using sandpaper, sand it into the rounded shape. This will take you some time to complete with all of the popsicle sticks. Now glue all of the popsicle sticks onto each other, going from the largest ones all the way down to the smallest ones. As the popsicle sticks get smaller, move them inwards a little bit each time. Now glue the popsicle sticks to the metal box that we made earlier. If you remember the overhangs that we left on the metal box, this is now where you will use them. You need to bend them over so that they will stick to the popsicle sticks. As you can see in the video, I've already bent mine over. For this lamp, I am using a Xiaomi smart light. You can use any light you want. I just picked this one because it works with my Alexa and it can change colors, so I like that about it. Now all that's left is to place the lamp over the light. Okay, your project is done. I hope you enjoyed this video. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please subscribe. and share this with anyone that you think